Demonstratives in Portuguese are words that point out specific things or people. In English, these are this, that, these, those. But in Portuguese, they can change based on distance, gender, and number. Near the speaker, near the listener, and far from both. In this lesson, we'll cover all types, starting with demonstrative adjectives. Like regular adjectives, these agree with the noun in gender and number. Este, esta, estes, estas, esse, essa, esses, essas, aquele, aquela, aqueles, aquelas. The key idea is that adjectives come before nouns and agree with them. Some examples are este livro, esta casa, estes carros, estas flores, esse livro, essa mesa, aquele prédio, aquelas montanhas. All of these are adjectives, and they're not to be confused with pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns replace nouns entirely, and they have the same form as adjectives. An example is Quiero este libro. I want this book. Instead of using an adjective, we can replace it with a pronoun, following the same word. Quiero este. I want this one. At the same time, Portuguese also has neutral demonstratives with no gender. Isto, isso, aquilo. These never modify nouns, and they mainly refer to ideas, unknown objects, or entire situations. Some examples are O que é isto? O que é isso? Aquilo parece perigoso. Moreover, in modern Brazilian Portuguese, many speakers use esse for both this and that in everyday speech. For instance, instead of saying este livro é meu, it's natural to say esse livro é meu. Still, it's worth knowing the traditional system in Brazil, because you can find it in writing and formal language. On the other hand, European Portuguese uses the three-way distinction, which is generally maintained in writing and speech in Portugal. The last thing to know is that demonstratives can also contract with prepositions like de, im, and a. This is done on purpose to not repeat the same vowel sound twice. Deste, desta, desses, daquele, neste, nessa, naquele. When it comes to a plus a demonstrative, this is where the gruff accent is used, making crasis, which is a fusion of two vowel sounds into one. For instance, the word aquele means to that one over there, which is masculine singular. The word aquela means to that feminine singular. Aqueles means to those masculine plural, and aquelas means to those feminine plural. By knowing such demonstratives, it's good to use common expressions in everyday Portuguese, because this way, seeing demonstratives in context will make their usage feel more natural. Por isso. É isso. Deste jeito. Desse jeito. Daquela vez. Naquela época. Isto é. Até aqui. Daqui. Daí. Dali. So, this is how demonstratives fully work in Portuguese.